About to do a little wet welding. This wet cloth here just protects the plastic and stuff from the hot sparks. Here's a closer look of the weld right here. And you can see this wet rag did a good job of protecting the plastic. I've always wanted to cut the handlebars and bring them in a little bit. Because this is an adventure bike, the handlebars are out kind of far and I just wanted to get a more comfortable position. So what I did is I used my angle grinder. I cut about 80% of the way through the handlebars. I sat on the bike, bent them in. Then I soaked this cloth, covered up the wires, welded it and painted it, and it came out great.